People feel less pain buying a $1,000 phone every couple of years than buying a $1,000 fridge or TV every couple decades.
The Winter Olympics are actually 100% water sports.
It's crazy how fast we humans learn to recognize AI-generated text.
The state of men's public toilets is a microcosm for how FKD the planet is. Total disregard for future users.
Eating Cheetos with chopsticks just makes sense.
Future humans will mock us for letting plastic touch food in the same way we mock mercury in hats and lead in gasoline.
The speed of software is infinite. Hardware is what slows it down.
Starting conversations with strangers will be a lost societal norm when the older generation dies out.
People in management and above spend their careers worrying about a company that doesn't give a crap about them.
Wearing earplugs while eating something crunchy makes it sound a lot more crunchy.
The more money a company wants to make, the less ethical it will have to be in treating its workforce.
Baby butterflies don't exist.
Humans are the only species that assert dominance by copulating with the parents of their rivals.
Rabbits are the mammal version of grasshoppers.
Pringles is so stubborn on their packaging that they took its biggest flaws and made an entire marketing campaign off it.
Bilbo really just went to a rehab when he left the ring.
Your car is your road avatar.
Any tattoo artist who tattoos asses is also a cake decorator.
Making a family is not very family-friendly.
Now for a quick break. Stay tuned for more shower thoughts. Milk chocolate and chocolate milk are two completely different things.
Goals without a plan are fantasies.
At least one serious film has used ketchup as fake blood.
The Enterprise's captain's deck needed seatbelts.
It's possible people alive in the last 100 years have traveled more miles than of human history before us.
Holding the door for someone is counterproductive when it's a revolving door.
Air quality is measured by air quantity.
The revolution will be televised.
Most clothes pegs aren't really suitable for exterior use.
A reward of great acting is not having to look good. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Thank you so much for listening, and we'll be back tomorrow with more mind-bending shower thoughts. Goodbye for now. If you liked this podcast, check out our other podcast, Daily Facts. This podcast gives you interesting tidbits of information to impress your friends, family, and colleagues with. So get smarter in less than 10 minutes a day. Just search for Daily Facts in your podcast app or check the show notes page for the link. This podcast was produced by Klassic Studios. Please see the show notes page for source credits.